Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are gaining value. A big shout out to my coach. Today is a top analysis on how the market works. I've done this video like 4 times and I don't know what's happening. Canva is not recording my videos. So I start with 1 week analysis using top analysis. I use my Fibonacci from the low to the high. Now we all know that to analyze the strength of dollar, we all use DXY, right? Price at now is at discount. So on the day, because I'm on weekly, I'm expecting daily to what? To keep buying, doing this lower low, lower high, doing this to get to my premium before I can decide to sell and sell down. That is for DXY. So that now DXY is on discount on daily. If I look at the daily time frame, right? What do I see on the daily time frame? I see a break of structure. Can you see higher high, higher low, higher high? If I use my Fibonacci again from the low to the high, what do I see? I see what? I see that prices at the what? At the premium level. So I'm expecting a sell. I'm going to come down to 1 hour. On 1 hour, what do I see? The sell is not ready. Can you see? The sell is not ready for DXY, meaning any pair associated with dollar as at now is not ready. I drew this diagram here in the sense whereby if price comes down here and create a swing point above. Can you see? Create this diagram. I want price to do this, come up, do this, change of character, enter a fair value gap or a mitigation block or a breaker block, and go down. Any pair associated with USD, that is GP, JPY, and EUR USD, Australian dollar, I'm expecting to buy. But as long as dollar is not ready, I'm not buying anything at GP USD. Now, if I go to GPUSD on 1 week, price is at premium. Because why? Price is not close to the body. It close to the week and created a three candle swing point. One, two, three, right? So I'm expecting price to pull down. But before I can expect price to pull down, I'm expecting price to do this on daily. You know, I'm expecting price to do on daily. But now if I come down to daily, on this daily here, you can see, what can you see? There's a sell side liquidity that was broken and there's a buy side liquidity that was broken, making this a breaker block with a fair value gap attached and a breaker block below with an order block. Now, dollar is telling us that it wants to sell, but it's not ready. So I'm also watching GPUSD. On GPUSD, what do I see? I'm waiting for a three-candle retracement format or above more than that to be created. And this is the only one that has a three-candle formation. One, two, three. Break of structure here. If price can break this high or create a new one here and price break it. The black line here is the opening of the week, which I'm expecting price to actually buy from here to pull up, or let's see how it goes. I'm going to jump gold because gold is aligning with dollar. Now, until gold breaks this high above here, gold breaks this high above here, that's when I can consider it. Or it breaks this high above, I'll prefer this one. That's when I can consider it to buy. But we can put an eye on gold. Just do a normal top-down analysis on gold. I'll start with my 1 week. On my 1 week, what do I see? Prices at premium. On my 1 day, what do I see? I can see that price has no direction because the last structure here was around here as another block. I also have a breaker block around here, aligning with a fair value gap. Can you see it? One of my coach called it is it institutional order flow drill? This zone here. So price has not touched anything significant on gold. It's just, I'll say it's ranging because it's like in a box. Can you see it? So I can't really see anything about daily for gold. But if you can go to 4 hours and find something, for those that are counter trading can use 15 minutes. By now they should be in the trade. For those that are trading a lower time frame, would have been the trade by now from here on gold. For 15 minutes, for those that are trading 15 minutes slash 4 hours. and their break of structure on 4 hours that have been around here. So I don't do the 15 minute. I'm working, so I'm swing trading. Now for JPY pair, I have to check what JPY basket. 1 week, what do I have? I have here what? I have a break of structure here. I have a break of structure here with a body signaling what? A buy side liquidity from 1 week. I'm on what? I'm on discount. This is another block, right? On 1 week. But as long as on the daily time frame, as long as on the daily time frame, price has not done this on daily, I'm still selling on daily. Can you see it? Price has not price break this high. Should I consider it as a what sell? But that now price has done a break of structure here on daily fair value cap and other block. If I come down to 1 hour, on 1 hour, I'm just going to counter trade. I'm going to counter trade. I'm expecting price to do this, come down here, go up, and if price dip high, that means JPP, GEP, pair, I'm going to sell. I'm going to start looking for sales. But those that are actually 15 minutes that have entered the trade by now, you see structure here entering at breaker block. For those that are day trading, I'm swing trading. So as swing trading, I have no trade yet for any of this pair. I have no trade. But if you are day trading, you are doing 4 hours, 15 minutes. And that means by now you should be in the trade. If you are day trading, you can see the retracement, right? I would like to draw it for you. I higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high here. You see the diagram for those that are day trading. But for me that I'm swing trading on my hourly time frame to counter trade, I have no trade. So I just wait. So I'm going to just monitor this pair, monitor JPY basket and GXY to know if I have any trade. But for me that I'm swing trading, I don't have any trade. But for those that are day trading, they have a trade to counter trade. So a big shout out to my coach. I always give a shout out to him because he's a good man and he really guided me a lot in this trading journey. So a big shout out. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, ask your question. As a swing trader and those that are working, I have no trade. I have no trade at all. But if you're a day trader and you trade like you're day trading, by now GPG Prep activated and let me see for day traders and GU, let me check 15 minutes. Okay. And for 15 minutes, people that are trading, day trading, 15 minutes very active, but it may act very funny and still come down a little bit. So for day traders, you guys have a trade. But for me that I'm swing trading, I do not have a trade. So I hope this video is very, very nice and productive. Don't forget to ask your question in the comment section and I'll joyfully, happily, excitedly reply you. Okay? Thank you so much.